Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to contact Robinhood customer service. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now you'll have to go to the official website of Robinhood. For that, click on the search bar and type in robinhood.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Robinhood. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're logged into your account, at top right corner of your screen you'll be able to find several options. Simply click on the option account. Now you'll be able to see the options like profile, settings, help, keyboard shortcuts. Simply click on the option help that you can see at the third. Now you'll be led to the help interface. So in order to contact the customer service, over here you'll be able to find the option for contact support. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here the chat box will be open for Robinhood support. From here you'll be able to chat with Robinhood support. Simply type your message over here. Click on the field, type a message. Now simply describe your problem. Now once you type in your problem, click on the send icon. Now you can see over here your message will be sent. You can see over here Robinhood will reply to you shortly. So like this you'll be able to contact the Robinhood support. So that is how you contact Robinhood customer service. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.